The complete journey from humble peanut through sophisticated processing and rigorous quality control, creating a nutritious.
Welcome to one of the world's largest peanut butter factories. Here, millions of tons of peanuts are transformed annually.
Unloading is fast and automated. Powerful pneumatic systems use air suction to transfer entire truckloads.
Separation uses physics elegantly. Powerful fans create air currents, lightweight shells blow away, while heavier
Vision systems see what humans cannot. High-resolution cameras scan thousands of peanuts per second, identifying. Shelling must be gentle yet thorough. Mechanical shellers crack brittle shells using controlled pressure, separating.
Size matters for even roasting. Vibrating screens with progressively smaller openings sort peanuts into size levels.
Roasting transforms flavor dramatically. Continuous ovens at 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Notes. Cooling must be immediate and rapid. After roasting, peanuts pass through cooling chambers with powerful fan.
Blanching creates smoothness. Mechanical blanchers rub roasted peanuts gently, removing the thin red skins. Skins separate through airflow. Once loosened, powerful air currents blow lightweight skins away, while heavier blanched peanuts.
Grinding is a two-stage process. First stage grinders with coarse plates break whole peanuts into chunky paste.
Peanuts are naturally oily, about 50% fat. During grinding, heat and pressure release these oils.
Second stage grinding creates silkiness. Ultrafine mills with gaps measured in micrometers grind particles to 20.
Chunky peanut butter requires strategy. A portion of first stage ground peanuts is reserved, then mixed back into smooth.
Salt is added precisely, typically 1 to 2% by weight, enough to enhance peanut flavor without mooring it taste salty.
Sugar serves dual purposes. About 2 to 3% sugar adds slight sweetness consumers expect, while acting as a
stability requires science. Fully hydrogenated vegetable oils, about 2% stabilizers, preventing the natural.
Emulsifiers create harmony. Mono and diglycerides, tiny amounts, help oil and solid particles blend.
Mixing must be thorough and energetic. High shear mixers spinning at thousands of RPM blend peanuts, oils.
Heat assists processing. Mixing friction plus controlled heating raises peanut butter to 150-70.
Consistency is measured constantly. Viscosity sensors verify peanut butter flows properly. Not too thick to pump, not too
Chunky texture is engineered precisely. Reserved coarse ground peanut pieces are mixed back in now, typically 10 to.
Air must be removed carefully. Vacuum degassing eliminates trapped bubbles that would cause oxidation, off flavors, and
Human judgment remains essential. Trained sensory panels taste every batch, evaluating flavor balance. Jars must be perfectly clean. High-pressure air jets blow out any dust or particles, while automated inspection intervals. Filling is incredibly fast and precise. Automated nozzles fill jars at rates exceeding 200 per minute.
Every seal is verified. Sample jars undergo vacuum testing and leak detection. Any failures trigger line adjustments.
hot filling creates vacuum seals. Peanut butter enters jars at 150 to 170 degrees. As it cools, thermal.
Weight verification is mandatory. Every single jar crosses precision scales. Underweight jar.
Label quality is verified automatically. Vision systems check barcode readability, verify nutrition.
Labels must be perfect and precise. High-speed labelers apply brand graphics, nutritional information.
Sealed cases ensure integrity. Automated sealers close boxes with reinforced tape or hot melt adhesive.
Every case receives identity. Shipping labels with barcodes, product descriptions, and quantity information enable complete.
Palletizing is robotically optimized. Automated systems stack cases in interlocking patterns, maximizing.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes loads. Multiple layers of clear film bind cases together, preventing shifting during transport.
Distribution begins at the dock. Pallets move continuously from warehouse to waiting trucks, beginning journeys to supermarkets.
Transportation maintains standards. Refrigerated trucks, though not always necessary for peanut butter, may be used in extreme heat.